Edugens has updated the way in which you create the 3 subcategories of drag and drop questions. Drag and drop into a category, drag and drop into a text, and drag and drop into an image. To get to the page to create a question for an assessment, first open up the apps in the top right corner of the site. Then click Assessments. When that opens, click the Question Bank tab on the left-hand sidebar. When opening up the question bank, select the green New Question button on the right. Now that we've opened up this page, we can start creating our questions. Make sure to choose the grade level, course, and language that corresponds to your questions. If you are creating an item, by default, it will be put into the district bank. If you are a campus administrator, it will go into the campus bank. Here, we're going to create a new question for 8th grade social studies and English. Then click the drag and drop selection under Type of Question. When choosing the drag and drop question type, 3 new boxes will pop up. This box lets you drag and drop into a category, this one lets you drag and drop into a text, and this one lets you drag and drop into an image. Let's explore the category option. Now let's fill in the boxes below. The question we're using is to match each American Revolutionary figure to their correct historical significance. As the drop zones, we will have George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Benjamin Franklin, John Adams, and Alexander Hamilton. The choices must show under drop choices. After inputting all of the choices, choose the Assign Answers to match the correct choices with the matching zones. After we've finished inputting all of the parts of the question, use the black arrow at the bottom right to go to the top of the page. Once we're at the top of the page, click the pink preview button to show the question. In this pop-up, we can also turn on the Show Answers mode to reveal all the correct answers. Then click Save. Next, we will explore the drag and drop into a text option. First, I will check the text option under Type of Question. Then in the question text, I'll click the icon Drag and Drop with Text to add a drop zone and write my question. Under drop choices, I will add the answer choices that the viewer will see. To choose the answer that is correct, click the Assign Answer button below and drag the correct answer into the blank. Then click Assign. In this case, there are multiple correct answers, so we will use the Add Alternative Answer button below to drag another correct answer. Then click Assign. Now we will use the black arrow to go to the top of the page to see the preview. In the Show Answers mode, we can check the Show All Answers box to reveal all correct answers. Then click Save. In this example, we are going to use the same question type, but this time using a math equation. In the question text, enter the question you want to add. When inputting a question, use the equation editor to enter your expression. Like the previous examples, we will use the drag and drop with text icon to include the drop zone. Under drop choices, I will add the answers to choose from. If you want the choices to be used multiple times, check the box called Allow Choices to be used more than once. Then assign the answers. Because these choices are interchangeable with the blanks, make sure to add an alternative answer to switch them. Then scroll up to see a preview. When it comes to partial credit, the student must have 50% or more of the blanks correct. So for example, if the student has one of these answers correct, they will receive 50% credit. Then click Save. Lastly, I will explore the drag and drop into an image. First, choose the image option under Type of Question. Then enter your question into the question text box and upload your file into the image upload button below. In this example, I've chosen a map of North America. Like the previous 3 examples, I will create my drop zones. I will label them A, B, and C and drag them to the area of the image that I want them to be shown in. Then I will create my drop choices. In this situation, I want the student to match the corresponding flags to the countries on the map. Then assign the answers to each box on the map. Click Assign. After assigning answers, scroll up to check the preview. Then click Save. These are the 3 ways you can add drag and drop questions into your assessments this year. Thank you.